In this video, I am gonna make a MIDI keyboard using Arduino Uno with this mini keyboard. I have already unscrewed the back cabinet. Let's see what is inside. There was a speaker and the main circuit board, which are of no use now. We only need this key switch circuit PCB. Desolder 12-pin ribbon from main board. We have 12-pin ribbon cable and 32 key switch. Here ScanMatrix is used to deliver 32 keys sound using only 12-pin cable. Otherwise we require 32 cable for 32 note sound. Let's have a close look at the PCB key switch. We can see combination of 8 keys are connected serially, and after that there is a split. We can assume that our key matrix to be 8 into 4. Select the multimeter to continuity range. I have connected black probe to pin 1 and red to pin 12 and hit all the buttons. After hitting all 32 buttons, we did not get any continuity reading. Shifting forward red probe towards left, I have connected red to pin 11. Did not get any reading after hitting keys. Again shifting to pin 10, did not get any outcome, and continue the process until we get any reading. Now I am changing the position of probes, red to pin 1 and black to pin 12. By following the same process when connected the black probe to pin 9 and by hitting all 32 keys, we get a result at key number 25. Here you can see that when red probe is connected to pin 1 and black probe to pin 6, we get continuity by pressing key 1. By following the same process, we figure out the combinations of keys and switch pressed accordingly and figure out ScanMatrix. From the PCB we can see that pin 1 goes to a diode and then reached pin 6. When key switch 1 pressed, pin 1 and pin 6 shorted. Signal from pin 1 reached pin 6 via key switch 1. Here diodes are provided to eliminate node ghosting. So we can conclude we have 8 output and 6 input. Now we have to build custom circuit in breadboard. Here I am using 748C595 shift resistor. We don't have enough digital pin in our Arduino Uno, so we connect 8 output pin from ribbon cable to shift register. Now connect clock latch and data pin of the shift register to Arduino digital pin. Here 8 output is minimized to 3 output using shift register. Only 3 digital pin of Arduino is required in spite of 8. Connect everything using this diagram. I am not using 5-pin DIN socket or MIDI socket as mentioned in the diagram and X from Arduino MIDI socket. Now connect input pin 6, 7, 8, 9 of the ribbon cable to the Arduino digital pin 8, 7, 6, 5 and connect them to the ground using 10K resistor. Here the Arduino code constant input, that is 4 input pin from ribbon cable, goes to Arduino digital pin 5, 6, 7, 8. Clock latch data from shift register goes to digital pin 9, 10, 11. Leave everything unchanged. You can get MIDI note number from MIDI note table. And that is the MIDI note table. Here serial.begin thread 400 is actually the baud rate of the software program Hairless MIDI. Go to preference of Hairless MIDI and note down the baud rate and place the same baud rate in the bracket of Arduino code. Here baud rate 38400 should match with the Arduino code. Upload Arduino code and transfer everything from breadboard to Vero board. This is the final look after placing inside keyboard. Connect MIDI keyboard to PC using USB A to B cable, which is Arduino cable or any printer cable. Install Loop MIDI port app, which works as a virtual MIDI port. Open Hairless MIDI serial. Now fire up your DAW and enjoy playing different musical instruments.